Good morning. I am Jia Hui from 6 Graciousness, and I am a great ambassador. Today, I would like to share about my journey to be a great ambassador and the lessons I've learned on this journey. When I was in primary 1, my form teacher, Miss Chua, appointed me as the class monitor. I had to make sure the class walked quietly to the canteen and back to the classroom in an orderly manner daily. Through this simple yet important role, I learned about responsibility, and I realized to be part of a leader is about helping others, and in this case, helping my teachers. At the end of primary 2, I chose brownies as my CCA. I learned to cooperate with other people and to lend a hand. At the end of primary 3, I decided to apply to be a prefect. I understood that being a prefect is about taking responsibility to contribute to the school. I enjoy helping others, and I decided being a prefect would give me the opportunity to help people or pupils beyond my classroom. I have been a prefect since primary 4. Some of my duties include ensuring students not to run along the corridor, reminding them to return to their classrooms at the end of lunch, etc. But due to COVID-19, I also have to remind some students to wear their mask properly and to keep a safe distancing. I enjoy doing this as I understand. It is my responsibility as a prefect to keep everyone safe and to serve others. I am also a PE group leader. I lead my group during PE lessons. My PE teacher, Mr. Shah, would always remind my fellow PE leaders, group leaders, and me to take responsibility as a leader. So, what is a leader? A leader is a person who can not only influence others and to be able to lead ourselves, but also be a good role model. But it does not mean that we must be perfect so that we can be a leader. We just need to take the first step in doing something. No one is perfect. Others may have different leadership styles, and that is alright. My classmates are some examples. Yu Hui would sometimes give short talks in class whenever our teacher is held up. Clovis, Dash, and Fahima will keep the class quiet and remind everyone about safe distancing and to wear our mask properly. Wenxing will help others who have problems with their study whenever she sees that they need help. Although their leadership styles are different from mine, I am inspired by the confidence and willingness to help others. I hope that I can grow up to be a better leader and help more people in the future. Lastly, I'd like to wish all the primary 6 pupils the best of luck for their PSLE. Thank you.